How to add music in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to add music on the post that you have created, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto this button right here at the middle. Select it. Now from here, simply choose one photo or video that you would like to add the music, just like this. And after that, here you can find the add audio option right here. Select it. Now from here, you can simply add the music that you want to add. Now choose one just like this, then tap onto this arrow right here. Then tap on to add. And now you can see the music has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add music in Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.